Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my gadget kitchen. My 3-year-old gave me the cooties, so I have a cold, so I'm sorry if I sound like a frog. But today I'm making chicken and broccoli Alfredo, and I'll be using my NuWave induction cooktop. This is a super easy meal to put together, and it's pretty quick. Here are the seasonings that I used, and here are the ingredients for the homemade Alfredo sauce. First, I started with 3 chicken breasts. I trimmed the fat and cut it into bite-sized pieces and seasoned it up. Next, I prepped my broccoli. This is about 24 ounces. I'm going to get started by cooking the pasta. I have salted my boiling water, and I'm going to cook the fettuccine till right before it gets to al dente. I think it was about like 11 minutes or so. Once the pasta had a chance to cook for a few minutes, I added the broccoli, but I actually think I added it a little too early because eventually my broccoli just got like really soft and didn't hold its shape. So maybe add the broccoli the last 3 to 4 minutes. Once that is done cooking, drain and set to the side. Now I'm going to get started on the chicken. I've started with my preheated skillet and I've added butter and olive oil. And now I'm adding in my seasoned chicken, and I am going to cook that about 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is cooked thoroughly. And the last minute or so of cooking, I added in my minced garlic, and then I set the chicken to the side. Now I'm going to get started with the sauce. It's 4 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of flour. Gonna mix that together until it's light brown. And then next I'm adding in the chicken stock, and you use a whisk so you can incorporate that. And then I'm adding in the milk, followed by the heavy cream. Now I'm going to season it up with a little freshly ground black pepper and some kosher salt. Next I'm adding in the freshly grated Parmesan cheese. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make your own Alfredo sauce. Once it's tasting good, go ahead and add in your pasta and broccoli, and you are good to go. Here's what it looks like, topped with some more freshly grated Parmesan. And I did bake some frozen yeast rolls in my Breville Smart Oven Air and topped them with a little bit of butter. And here's the plated dish. This was super easy to put together and really, really good. I do hope you guys give this a try. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.